Look at that. What's up, nerds? Fury Rider here. I have not taken a shower. Nothing. We look gross. Let's jump into it. We got that moon's tail light. Check out the box. I just wanted to show this off because, woo! Look at that. So, we're gonna go install that. So, let's just jump into it. It's probably gonna be a very short video. Obviously, things are still a mess involving my grandfather's death, so, gotta still make content though, and figured let's jump into it. Check it out. Hell yeah, brother. Alright, so we're gonna, let me see if I can, right here, we gotta unscrew this. So we're gonna take off that old assembly and put the new one on. It's smoked and it's smaller. It's gonna look sick. So let's jump into that. Just like Blockhead says though, we're gonna take apart the electrical system, or we're gonna take out the main fuse. So I've got this little thing here. Boom. Check that out. Thumb screw. And now we're gonna take off the seat. Alright, so to be fair, I haven't messed with the fuses or anything yet on the Dyna's, brother. So, that's the battery. So let's take off that housing. Get it, brother. Like, am I just an idiot, or what the hell? Alright, so we got the cover off. Now I just gotta get the fuse. Alright, so I got the fuse out. Now to take off the housing. Can't even talk today. One crew down. Alright, so we got it off. Now I just gotta get this thing off. I'm having trouble today, man. We got the light off. We got the housing off. So let's try to put in the new housing. Alright, so one thing with this housing is I can actually do the turn signals. I don't think I'm gonna do that. Not really interested in it. I want to get the LED turn signals, so we're just gonna leave that be, and let's throw that main fuse back in and make sure this works. It do! So the most important thing is it works. So let's go ahead and finish installing it. Alright. So we'll just get a shot of this and then compare it to the original here. And I like it. I think it looks good. One thing is right here, this light was meant for the license plate, but with the switchback, it's got license plate lights down here, so I don't even have to worry about it. Uh-oh. Are you gonna throw that in the trash?
I'm gonna throw it right here.
Okay.
Right here.
So I really like it. Now I just gotta get LED turn signals for the rears. I had them off the iron, but they don't work no more, huh? Because they're a different fitting. So we just gotta get those, an LED headlight. I'm gonna go for Rogue Rider with the rear turn signals, just because I like theirs. For the headlight, I am thinking about going Moons again. I really like that tail light. It looks
freaking awesome.
I just gotta get those things. Now things are different. I'm not gonna be able to do a lot of mods very consistently. That was on sale for 40 bucks. Mark over at Duke City told me about it, so I jumped on that. I had a little bit of extra income, but now I'm not gonna have much, so it's gonna be a very slow process for mods and upgrades on the bike. But yeah.
If you like the video and you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button. If you didn't like the video, like it anyways, and leave a comment down below telling me if you're gonna get a like. And make sure to pass that like button and hit the bell icon to join the notification clock. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm gonna throw it right here.